Well, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, wherever you are. We are here at IBIE. I'm Gideon Butler-Smith, and I am with Lesaffre, Technical Service Manager. We are displaying all sorts of products featuring our Livendo suite of products. Now, these are devitalized sourdoughs with derivatives from rye, buckwheat, spelt, and wheat germ, and wheat flours. Now, together, this is a clean label product, but it is also a sourdough product, as I've already mentioned. That helps with nutrition, taste, and appearance. Now, you can already see the appearance because these are beautiful products, but together they're also easy to use, that you can automatically go to your products and just add it to your formula. And if you need help, our tech service can come and help you as well. Also, we are featuring a monodiglyceride replacement ingredient as well to also feature, attack the clean label trend in the baking industry. Now, together, the sourdough and the MDG replacer helps with the short-term softness of your shelf life and the taste and appearance. Man, it's a combination that you just can't beat. And so please reach out to us, lesaffrebaking.com, and a salesperson or tech person would be happy to be in touch with you and get you the product that best suits you. We have 8 products that will fit your needs just right. Thank you, cheers, and happy baking.